Start of the trading session, Just Dial, and it has shot over 9% after the now up almost 11% now after the company's quarter four earnings. Mahima joins us with some key details about the quarter four earnings of Just Dial. Mahima.
Right. So in terms of the margin expansion, that has come in as a surprise for Just Dial, and this is on the back of top line growth as well as cost efficiencies that have been achieved by the management. Other income is another factor that has led to this growth because that is up 40% QOQ, and this is on the back of declining bond yields as well as higher treasury income. In terms of profit before tax, that has been up around 22%, and this is due to lower effective tax rate as well. Now, in terms of numbers, revenue is up around 7%, EBITDA up almost 22%, margins at 29.8% versus that of 26.1%, and net profit has shown a significant improvement of 36%. In terms of the key operational metrics, total traffic was up 11.8% for the counter, total active listings were up almost 12% for the counter, and total paid campaigns increased by 5%, and lastly total app downloads also came in as a positive number at around 9.4 times. So all this together has led to this kind of growth in the top line, and that is why the stock is seeing significant gains in trade today.
Got the view, Mahima, and thanks for that. Sharmila, let me come to you first. Just Dial quarter four earnings, as well as, we've seen something like an India Mart also be under pressure. Anything that you like in this particular space?
Just Dial looks interesting. I was just looking at the valuations as well as the numbers over the last couple of quarters. So I think this kind of a number with what it, with the metrics on which it has improved is very interesting. Probably I think also because of the correction, the valuations look interesting at this point in time. So I think though it seems to be up 11%, I think you can see a further upside in this stock.
Amit, do the charts suggest any kind of further upside, on something like a Just Dial? Stock was depressed around the 700 to 800 rupee mark, and we've seen a very wild moves over the last 1 year. Does it warrant getting into the stock right now?
Currently, counter is approaching near resistance zone of 200 DM around 1060 level. So once if 1060 level gets a clearance, then only we might expect next leg of buying. At this point of time, risk reward is not at all approachable and not at all worthy at this point of time. So we should wait for new long position. Whomsoever is holding a long position should place a trailing stop loss at 1000.
Right, so that's with regards to where Just Dial goes